Hello guys! So, aalis kami ulit. Kasi, pupunta kami sa taas. Yes. Okay, lock the door. Padong na demi ani mga kabisdak. Adto sa IT Park. Wa kayo tao, kamiray tao. Maihapra kung pila ra ang sakay. Gabutin nyo sa IT Park na adito bus nga naghuwat para tops. Ang plate is 200 pesos, back and forth na siya and with entrance.
Down and spend up all on hoes. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life.
So, abot yun din dito sa tops, mga kabisdak. Musaka na tong mga conductors. Char. Di gito sila conductors man. Kasi di, nakalimut ko sa tawag aton nila. Pero, musaka to sila and sila na yung muhatag sa ticket. And eto na mo dito mo plite. Meaning, di mo plite before sa IT Park. Adto na mo nga to sa tops mo plite. And na sila ihatag nga ticket. Keep it para mo na siya inyuhang one-way ticket. Ay, one-way ticket. Mo na inyuhang ticket pabalik. Kay kumawa na, plite na po magbalik. Kalas po kaya no, o kuan, kwarta kung imo, plite po magbalik. So, kani siya is nakasulod na may mga kabisdak. Medyo gamay pa kayong tao kay mga 3 PM mamiana ning kuan dod nilakaw. So, di pa kaayo siya daghan kay 40 pong inita. Siyempre, summer. So, init yung kayo. Kita mo na, naisan. Kita mo sa sun. Maong ni sayo mo ano yung Maong ni sayo mi ani mga kabisdaki is tungod kay gusto na ko makita ang sunset dito kay kanay laging sunset lover ta. Kay pag-inom pa, musaw pang adlaw, nanapoy lang pag-asa. So, nindot kayong view diri mga kabisdak. Kung makita nimo, makita dyan ninyong whole nga Cebu. Siya view na to dito sa tops. Okay? Yes, Sky. Sky. Hello. Okay, first time sa Sky. So, mao ni mga kabisdak, padong na may ani sa katong gipuno nila nga second deck, bale, muna siya ang Sky sa tops. Diin makita ninyo dito 360 ang view. Naa siya bayad entrance mga 50, kung wa ko nasayop mga 50 to siya ang per head. Kung ano na siya mali. Anli na kung kana mo uli ka or it's either 50 or 100. Halimot mo ko, uy. Idad-idara naman good, uy, ang narrator. So, kaning side mo ni siya ang entrance, mo ni siya ay padulngan, padung sa taas, ug ang sa pikas nga side, which is makita na to unya kung asa to dapit, o to siya ang exit. So, kani siya is one way rin siya. One way rin siya dire mga kabisdak. Then, igabutin nyo sa tops. Ay, lagi. Igabutin nyo sa tops. Kita nyo ang 360 view, which is very satisfying po. Balik. Very satisfying kaysa inyong mata mga kabisdak. So, enjoy the view and have fun.
Four miles, that's all that we got left now. Before the road will run out, before it's time for goodbyes. 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just where we'll arrive. somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. No looking back, eyes on the road. Only thinking about where we're supposed to go. Don't have a map, just go with the flow. There's certain things we're not supposed to know. 4 miles, that's all that we have left now. That's all that we had time for. Don't know just where we'll arrive, but you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. Yeah, we could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. Yeah, we could be alright. But you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright.
Snack time before sa sunset is mag-snack sa ata mga kabisdak para dili kayo ta gutomon ba. Kani is busog na. No, huwat-huwat na lang. Pwede ra mo mulingkod ngadto sa katong kung nakita inyo gani katong na green padong sa taas. So pwede ra mo dito mo standby, mulingkod while waiting sa sunset.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our nose. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our nose. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the
What-
good times.
what do you think?
It'll
The
be like the
sunset.
movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming.
Now,
Rich people dreaming.
Lego.
Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Mao din ang atong panao guys, mga kabisdak. Mao ni siya anahita diri mga naog. Kung makita ninyo, nindutog kayo ang sunset, golden hour, pag-ainom pa, di ba? Namnamin yun na.
Cebu, Philippines. Chismosa yan. Na guys, na chismosa guys. Wow, the buildings. You see buildings of Cebu? Yes guys, you can see it here in Taps. Yes, din nag-video pa ko. Dalian akong kauban guys. Hawali na may ito. Sorry, pag-iami. So, mabait. Sige, bye. And yes, eating is life. Yeah, gampo yan. Eating is life na mami dereron. Manamig kan. Manami og ato sa among getoan. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way.